Greetings, Central. How are you feeling today? Can you hear me clearly? Yes. Say, kick out. Kick out. Far out. Far out. We up and stay up. We up and stay up. All right. And in all of that, remember, say education is the key. Sex is a mature and responsible act, right? No. If you can't handle the responsibilities, don't have sex. Yes. First thing first, when our schoolers, right? We're not talking about age of consent right now. When our schoolers, what is the most important thing to a student in school right now? Anybody? All right, now. The oldest person right here, so, is like how much right now? 19. Wonderful, wonderful. Say they're on the earth 19 years. So 19 years of experience and wisdom that, don't it? Right. In your 19 years, you hear say sex there from Wapiki to Philip, don't it? Yes. All right. You see, 19 years from now, sex are still labor. You see me I say? And for enough of the man them, we cannot finish it. For the young ladies, sex not done. No. I link my charge here in workplace. And him say, yo, Sadiq, pray this. Him show me a video. And the video I see at the starting of the school year is a student no more than say 7th, 8th grade performing oral sex. And the video circulates already. Right now, for me, I don't like them something. Because I'm a sister, I'm a cousin. Right now. When I engage in the sexual activity, my friend don't hide and take my picture. No. Pre this now. If you're not engaged in sex, don't fit in nobody. Y'all should not be having sex. Y'all should be focusing on your schoolwork. A lot of things out there that come positive from sex and negative. The positive thing, one of the positive things that come from sex is all of us right here. I get to get a chance to live, enjoy life, and to be individual, to be a king, to be a queen, right? To set your own destiny in a life. No, pre this again, no. There are more than 30 STIs out there in the world, right? No, one of the main STI them talk about is HIV. HIV has no face. It no watch nobody where you come from, rich, poor, black, brown, ugly, or pretty. It no watch no face. All it takes is one time to insert the penis into the vagina without a condom for a few seconds and just take it out. If that person is HIV positive or has any other STI, just know say you contract the STI a while ago. Just by that. No. If you have sex, my advice is a condom. Right? No, you shouldn't have sex if you cannot abstain. Again, focus on your schoolwork. If you cannot abstain from sex, what must you do? I can't hear you, no? I'm still not hearing it clearly. Right. Refrain from recording yourselves during these sexual activities. Right? I'm tired to see it. Because what happens is that the young girl come back to school and she face discrimination. Them start pick on her, start trouble her. Right? Allow me to tell? No. All right. And sometimes our own friends them, don't it? I will know say the friend of them things there and I get involved in them things there. You know things that best to advise the friend against it. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, attacks humans, it attacks the white blood cells, right? It can only be passed on by humans, prevented by humans, right? I'm going to pause there and give you something. There's approximately 32,000 persons in Jamaica living with HIV. Cool? Approximately half of that population do not know that they are positive, right? Approximately half of that half who do not know are within the age group of 15 to 24 years. 4 main body fluids for HIV: the blood, the breast milk, the semen, and the vaginal discharge. 4 main ways a person can contract the virus: through unprotected sex with an infected person, sharing of needles, the syringes, or tattoo needles. So if you get a tattoo, make sure it's an individual needle. Don't share the needle with your friends. Cool? Mother to child. No, it goes both ways. Say the woman pregnant and she don't get tested and she's HIV positive while giving birth, through the birth passage, the baby can contract the virus from the mother's blood and vaginal discharge. If the mother is positive and breastfeeds that child, the child can become infected with the HIV virus. Another STI that is plaguing the youth population of Jamaica is one known as syphilis. Personally, we call it the great imitator. Why? The signs and symptoms for syphilis are common. It comes with high fever, patchy hair loss, the burning sensation while urinating, sore throat, so you might mistake it for a common cold, right? It comes with discolored discharge, right? So, I want a male from the crowd to tell me what color should the discharge look like. Anybody? Who just said yellow a while ago? Over your said come from, you know? No. The person through the wall with that yellow discharge, please go and visit the doctor right now, immediately. No. A lot of teens are out there sitting down with the STIs and say, yo, me not gonna doctor. They might shame me afraid. Me not want them laugh after me and scandal me. But here I know. Pre this. It better you got that to check it out, because here I know. It's a syphilis, gonorrhea. Those two STIs can be passed on through oral sex, anal sex, vaginal sex. And most persons in Jamaica now, believe it or not, are participating in anal sex. No. Persons, both males and females, not only homosexuals, but heterosexual males and females are participating in that sexual act. Pre this again. Use a condom for every sex act. Any STI that starts with the letter H, like H in high, can only be treated, not cured. With the exception of syphilis. Syphilis can be treated in stage number, can be cured, sorry guys, my bad. Can be cured in stage number 1 and 2 and only treated in stage number 3 and can cause death. Women, pregnant women who are infected with syphilis can affect their baby. One, it can cause them to have a stillbirth, which means the baby dead in the belly, and second, baby being born with birth disabilities. No, it's very serious. No, guys, I want to understand this. As much as you may enjoy sex, and sex is fun to you, personally, we cannot stop you, but we can advise you to do what is best. To use a condom for every sex act. And the condom is not even 100% safe because the condom can break. Right? No, and some persons say them put 2 condoms. 2 condoms is the worst thing to do. 1 condom at a time. 2 condoms burst easily.
How many of you feel you need more sessions like this to get information out? Guidance counselor, anytime, just call the National Family Planning Board and ask for Janoy, and we'll find creative ways to get the message out.